And now we're in line for another one of the rides here in Dino Parc, which is Les Explorateurs, which is this little raft ride going around this beautiful garden surrounded by animatronic dinos. Au revoir.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Hello.
Hello. What attraction are we on right now?
The Dinosaur Express, I think.
That was called the Explorator, but yeah, basically, we got some iguanas here, a dragonfly.
Ooh, and eggs.
Oh my gosh, eggs! So cool! I am loving this already. A Spinosaurus in the middle. That's so cool. This is amazing.
Look behind you, Parker.
Behind me. I don't know what kind of dinosaurs those are. Oviraptors, I think. Dino nerds, correct me in the comments.
I do.
Egg eaters, they're egg eaters. We got an Iguanodon! Even though dinosaurs gone at Animal Kingdom, Ronde keeps Aladar going. And look, she's the mama.
Not the mama. Dude.
Oh my gosh, it's a Deinonychus or a Velociraptor, depending on whether you take Jurassic Park to be canon. Definitely not our dino.
This is very relaxing, actually.
Yeah, it's kind of nice.
Very
Uh-oh, but I think we got a big, gigantic drop up ahead. Oh no!
Oh no, oh no. If this gets me wet, no.
I don't think it's gonna get you wet. I think we're
Yeah.
Whoa, that's fast. Ready? Whee! Scooch.
Parker's pen got one.
Oh, that had better airtime and Steel Vengeance.
Oh, you're looking to be canceled here, sir.
Yeah.
But yeah, that is Les Explorateurs, a very cute little dino ride here at Ronde.
I saw popcorn.
Yeah, me too! Prehistoric popcorn made by cavemen.
Yeah.